the mayor will join us here. So the next person is Honorable Mark Doherty, Speaker of Saskatchewan Legislative Assembly.
A big round of applause as he makes his way here, please, guys. We need your support, please. Thank you.
A good friend of the African community in Saskatchewan. He is there. The last time we did Mosaic, you guys saw him serving. He was there. So that was an example. And like I said before, under the current administration, favorable policies have been put in place, and you can see the results of that. So because of that, we want to honor you as an Indigo in Saskatchewan.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please a big round of applause. A big round of applause for our next Amy Indigo.